Welcome back, guys, and we have came to the fourth part of our tiny series. So as you have seen from part 1 to part 3, we are now here. I am recording part 3. So basically we are now going to upload the site live so that everyone can see it and engage with it. So this is the website that we were working on. If you have watched part 1, part 2, part 3, you won't be shocked as to how we got this far. So remember, this website of ours contains the structure, the front end, the images, which is stored locally in my computer, and we also have a back end which is stored in my computer. So what I will need to do now to host the website live, as you can see here, I am saying I will host this website in this link. So localsites.co.za, it's my domain, and for this project that we were doing, I will just host it here in a subfolder. So currently, if we can copy this and paste it online, we won't see anything because I have not yet uploaded the site. So if we can come here, we paste, and we will get an error. 404 means page is not found. So what I will do now, as you can see, this is the project in our local host, right? So what I will need to do now is to come here and copy these files or move these files to my live server so that they can be accessible. But I want to be moving anything, only this index and new item, and also these folders, because the other ones aren't normally useful on this example that I'll be doing. So first of all, let us start by uploading this website, right? So I will come here and I will just say I will convert this one to a zip folder, so I am able to upload it. So the file has been converted. Let me now upload it to my server. I won't show you guys that one because some of the files are sensitive in my live server. But what I am doing now is I am creating a let me not create the folder, I will just rename it. Yes, so now I will say upload, and then I drag this folder, I upload it. You guys are not seeing it, yeah, but it's being uploaded. It's 8 MB. Yes, it's 8 MB large, so it's loading, but it won't take that long. I think it's the images that are taking so much size. So it has uploaded successfully. Now what I need to do is to extract the files. So what I will need to do now is to, where's the file, is to extract the zip folder. Let me just say extract. It is extracted. That was very quick. And then after extraction, I will just rename our site to store, right? So now let me find the file. Okay, let me come here, then come back so I can rename it. It's our site. I will just rename it and say store. And say store, right? So if we can now come and refresh here, we should see the website because I've already uploaded it. So let us refresh and see what happens. Refresh. It says this page isn't working right now, blah blah blah. The reason why it shows this error, it's because the home page is connected to the database, and the database that I have here, it's the database connection is not the same as the live server, because this one that I have in my local machine uses localhost as a server, but I have a different one on the live server, so I need to change that script to meet the requirements there. But before we do that, let us first download the database table that we have. So remember, we have a database called Gmetics, which is gift cosmetics, and we have a table of products. Let me go to my live database and see if I can create a new database. I have a database. I will only create a table. Okay, let me come here. Should I create a new database? No, I won't create a new database. I will use a database that I have. I will only export this table that I have. So first things, let me export this table so I can upload it in my live database. So I will say export. I won't show you my live database, guys, but this is how it's done. Then I will say export. It will download there at the corner. If I say export, you will see, yes, the file is downloading, meaning I can now upload it to my live server. So the database, it's called products, but I won't upload it in a database called Gmetics because I have a different database there, right? So let me do that now. I will say I am in here. I will say import, and then I say, or let me just drag and drop the file so that you guys can see that is what I'm doing. So I'll go to downloads. Here's the file products. I will drag and drop. There I am. Success. It was uploaded successfully. And then let me see if it does show. Let me just refresh my live database. Products. Yes, it does show. So now what I want to do, if we can go back to our code where I was showing you the home page. So as you can see, the home page here, when we are establishing the connection, it uses localhost routes no password Gmetics. So this is what I needed to change on my live connection, but I won't put it in the same script because some of you may try to see the info here, but it's okay. I will write it here at the moment, and then after this video I will just remove the script. So let us do that. So basically I am changing this information on the live script because they don't match with the database I'm using in real time. So now I will go to the folder store, and then I go to the index.php, and then let us edit this one, right? Okay, so what's the name of my server? I even forgot the name of my server. I forgot the name of my server. Okay, let me try this one. Not sure. And then for the username, I think it was okay, let me do this. Or the database, I will use this one. Let me just copy this one. Database is not that difficult. Let's say copy this one. Okay, what else do I need to change? The password. What was the password? Okay, I think, let me, okay, just a second, guys. I forgot the credentials here, but this one, I think it was this one, and this one, I think it was let me go with the try checking here. Okay, let me go here, just a second, guys. Just a second. Just a second. I think this is the credentials, I'm not so sure, but yeah. Yes, so it's okay. If these are not the ones, then I don't know. This is my password. Right, so let me say save and see if it's the correct one. So let us come here and load our and refresh our website. So let us say refresh. Wow, okay, that means my my credentials are correct. So as you can see, if you have two phones, you can also go and see if the site is live. We just uploaded it now. So what I want to do now is to also use the same credentials in this other different page, because the page where we add new items. So I will also need to edit this script. Just a second. Yes, I will also need to edit the script. If we can save, I think everything is okay. So if you have two phones, you can give it a try right now. So what we are going to do, guys, this is very interesting. Remember, we have okay, the items are appearing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 items. I will add a fifth item, which is going to appear somewhere here. So I've made a button which is there at the top right corner. You guys on TikTok can't see it, but I'll just say add item, and I just wanna check if everything is working just fine. So I'll go to photo. Let me choose which one I did not choose. I think I did not choose this one. I'll say open, and I'll just say hair dryer. Hair dryer. Right, and then the hair dryer, let's just say it costs $4.99. Oh, this one is the size. Let's say it's 1.2, I don't know, 1.3 kilogram, I don't know. And then here we'll just say the price, it's $4.99, right? So let us say add item, and then it says product added. So let us go to the home page and see if that one does appear. So okay, here it is. The item does appear, $4.99. It's a hair dryer. If you are watching this, also give it a try, and I want to see if the item will appear. So it's going to be this, what is it, it's going to be this link, and then you can also give it a try and see if and please upload user-friendly images. I don't want to refresh here and something else pops up. So you can give it a try, and after you have done that, you can comment and say I did it. So remember, on the third video we were doing SEO. So now I will copy the link as it is, and let us go test how well it's our website performing. So we'll go to this link by Google, and then let us just paste our project, right, and say analyze. Let's just see how well we did in the SEO. And I know it's going to be very low scores. I didn't give my best, but yeah, let us see what happens. For example, I did not write the description in the meta tags. There's a lot that I did not do, but then let us wait and see. Let us wait and see. Okay, you see the performance, it says 54, and I'm guessing the images, they're too large in size. Oh, the SEO, it's 91. I wasn't expecting this one. It's 91. The best practices, we have 96. Wow, I'm doing my best. Accessibility 80. Performance, it's 54. And I know this one has to do with the image sizes, because I downloaded the high quality ones and I did not compress them. So let us see what is it that they say we need to fix, right? As you can see, it says large avoid large shifts, meaning when the website is loading there is a lot of shifting in the elements. And then here they says properly size image. I can potentially save 4 megabytes. So that is how big the images are. I knew the images they're gonna consume a lot, and I did not specify the explicit width and height. I did talk about this if you were watching my part 3. And also the reason why they are saying I have used a lot of CSS, it's because remember when I was downloading a template, there are a lot of of sections that I eliminated, and the CSS and JavaScript for those sections it's still in the website. So that is why they are saying I have lots of CSS and JavaScript which is not utilized. So it's also important that you fix that. And with accessibility, they are saying I did not describe the buttons. I did not emphasize on this one on our part. I always ignore you. What's your comment? Let me scroll a bit. Sometimes it happens that the comments don't show, but I am scrolling back now as we speak. I want to see if whether you commented or not. Sometimes TikTok blocks certain comments for some reasons. I don't know why. No, your comment is not there. Your comment is not here. Who was commenting? It's Victor. I'm always asking questions, but you don't answer. I want to have a website. Did you text me in via inbox, Victor? So we can discuss the website, since you say you want to have a website. And I've been trying to get to you since when. Most of the time I'm always online. And for this one I did talk about it, the one of links do not have a discernible name. I did talk about this one as to if you have links you also need to have a brief description as to what are they about, where do they lead. So that is why I got an overall of 80 instead of 100. It's because there are links in the website and I did not specify what I was talking about, and it's called area label, something like this. So if you can go here. I'm being told that I have a link. This one basically it's the one of scroll back to the top, the one, but it doesn't have the text that they are looking for. And you can also click this link to learn more about the era that they talk about, right? And yes, is there anyone who was able to upload an item so that we can refresh and see if their item is uploaded? If you want to give it a try, you can go to this link, and then if you are using a mobile phone, this button may not appear, so you'll need to click menu and then go to add item or add new, and then that page will appear. I think this video has come to an end. I don't want it to be long for those who will be watching on YouTube. Yes, I was supposed to do this tutorial or this recording in the evening, but I have doubts that I may not be free. So let me end this section, and if you guys have questions we can then take it from there. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.